What's going on, everybody? It's game time. Tonight I'm having fun opening a couple of boxes of Status after a couple of you told me to don't give up on these, that they're a good price and there's potential for good pulls, and you only get one autograph, but there's been some crazy good pulls come out of this, so I bought a couple. I've already opened one. You can see that video already posted. And now we're going to get into this one. My last box was really good all around. Super short print stuff, decent parallels, just good box, good rookies. So hopefully this one's similar. Have to find out. Alright. Jimmy Butler, Hayward, Antetokounmpo, Wall, a John Collins rookie credentials parallel to $2.99, and Bogdanovich rookie. This feels, I got a filler. So this feels like a relic card, but I don't think you're supposed to get any relics here. Huh? It is something. Maybe. That's interesting. Let's hold on to that. Maybe there are some kind of patch autographs, maybe? That would be awesome. Swatches Prime. Well, it says one autograph, so whatever it is should be signed. Alright, well, let's keep moving so we can get to it. Carter, Jokic, Randall, De'Aaron Fox rookie credentials, Steph Curry symbols, and Dennis Smith Jr. rookie. That was an excellent pack. Carroll, Sizemore, Wiggins, Caleb Swanigan rookie credentials, an Anthony Davis red parallel to $2.99, and Selden Jr. rookie. Randolph, Ibaka, Paul, John Collins rookie credentials, JJ Redick to 75, I'm green parallel, Zach Collins, Redick, Drew Holiday, Schroeder, Hardaway, filler, a Tony Parker status quo purple to $149, and a Yabusele rookie. Oladipo, Ben Simmons, Drummond, Ivan Robb. Okay, well this says signatures. What is that? What? Oh my gosh, what is going on? Tyler Lydon autograph to $149 and an Ivan Robb autograph to $149. And there's still something stick in that other pack, I'm telling you. So I don't know what's going on here. 2 autographs. And I think there's something else. I think, unless I'm crazy. Maybe that was just an insert turned around back on a filler card. Either way, I just came out with 2 autographs, so that's really cool. Yeah, now I'm thinking that maybe that just was a filler card, and I just was peeking in there wrong. Alright, Peyton, Curry, Jordan, Josh Jackson, rookie credentials, Faction Spurs, and Ntilikina rookie. Gallinari, LeBron, Millsap, Reggie Miller status quo, Porzingis symbols, and Thomas Bryant rookie. Nurkic, green, Rondo, Terrence Ferguson, rookie credentials, Tyler Dorsey, purple, rookie to 149, and OG Anunoby. Alright, let's see what this is. It must be a filler card. It's gotta be, because I've already got 2 autographs. Alright, Towns, Lynn, Lillard. It is Malik Monk, rookie credentials jersey. So I don't think I've ever pulled a jersey out of here other than the blaster boxes, which guarantee you one. So that's really wow, what a box. Something else. Factions, Cavaliers, and Semi Ojeleye rookie. So I ended up with a jersey and 2, not just 2 autographs, 2 parallel autographs to 149. Wow. Crazy. Well, thank you so much for your advice to pick up some status boxes, because so far it has been lights out. Alright, everybody take care. Please like and subscribe, comment below, and I hope you're having a great night. I'll be back soon.